Alright guys, UDR here, back with another unboxing of the Enduro24 by Element. It is ready to run, and it comes in this blue and white, or yellow and black. Alright, so then we have here little quick specs on it. So it is a 1/24 scale Sendero trail truck. Chassis features, you can see, 4-link front and rear suspension, chassis mounted servo, and the wheels and tires you see in the back here, see the specs on there. And you have your forward mounted motor and divorced transmission case. All right, there's little specs on the transmission and axle stuff right there. Gears, it's a 14, it's by Associated Electronics. 14 years plus. It's ready to run, 1/24 scale, 4-wheel drive, electric powered, off-road vehicle, pre-painted body, 2.4 gigahertz radio, and charger included. Alright. A quick little unboxing. This is what it looks like. Blue on top, black yellow on the bottom. I'm actually going to unbox the blue and red. That's what she look like. The top of the box look like also. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut her open real quick. Try to do this with one hand. If I could. I think I got it. Alright. Let's try a different setup here, guys. You open the box, this is what it looks like. Just sitting there, she's probably zip tied down. Sure is. Try to get out the box, guys. Wiggle it out. Alright. Look inside. It's like a little garage barn looking thing. Alright. Deal pictures and all that. So the car looks like zip tied in. Just the remote and everything's in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out of there. Get right back with you guys in a second. Let me grab a little. All right, get your little manual, the charger right there. Just shock the body mount. Shock the body mount. And then you got your radio, 2.4 radio. All right. Let's see if I got the radio out. What it looks like. Got your steering trim, throttle trim, dual rates, channel 3, on and off switch, reverse, all that good stuff. That's what the remote looks like, guys. All right. Go ahead and cut the truck over there. Get right back to you guys. One quick thing also, with the transmitter, the battery's actually in the grip. There's a button right here, you can slide it out just like that, and then it's right there. So what you do is you kind of press up on that and it flips up just like that. And I believe it takes 4 AAAs, it looks like. All right, and that's pretty much it. You just reverse the order to the cap, drop it back in like so, press it down. Try to do it with one hand here. All right, press it down just like that, and then it just slides in, boop, just like that, and you're pretty much good to go, guys. All right, I won't even try. There's a little spring on the back, so that's how the radio works with the battery. All right, went ahead and got the charger out, and I got the truck here. I took the body clips off of it. Again, it's a hard body. I really like the paint job on it. The body's not super detailed or anything like that, but you know, it is a 1/24 scale. This is the car. It has the little lipo here in the back. It has the shocks here. These do not have shock oil in them because it's so small. It's just basically a spring. The tires are really soft. You can feel that. You can see it. I mean, it's super soft. All right. Get get a close-up of it. You got the ESC and receiver all in one. Got the motor here in the front with a servo. Got your little, I like the little bumper you got here. All right. Try to give you guys a close-up look at this guy. Oh, I do have lights in the front. See the little lights in the front there. Turn around. That's what she looks like. Get your close-up shot. I tried this with one hand, guys. Yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up and have to get a quick first run. So I'm gonna show you guys just a quick unboxing of it. Let's see what she looks like. Can't wait to run this guy for sure. All right, put the body on it. So this is baby brother to the big brother. Big brother right there, baby brother right here. Could probably go ahead and put her in the back, guys. What's she looking like? All right, I guess quick little unboxing of the Enduro24, guys. This is the blue and red, and it also comes in black and yellow. All right, again, thank you guys for watching. Look forward to the running video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.